Stop running! 23 Fort City, I was 1037, taser deployed. Roll over!
Hey.
Roll over on your stomach or you're gonna get it again.
Right.
Do not move!
Right.
Do not move! The hell you running for? You're fucking chasing me for no reason! Fucking chasing me for no reason! You fucking inhumane motherfucker! Fuck you! Get your ass up! Fuck you! Get up! I said get up!
I can't, man. I'm disabled.
You want another one?
I'm getting up.
You getting up? Get up! Whose house is this?
I'm suing you for tasing me.
Whose house is this?
You got no fucking reason to tase me.
Whose house is this?
Fuck you.
I'm
You know what the fuck you guys be doing?
Come here. Give me just a... Whose house is this?
Motherfucker chased me for way over there for no fucking reason.
I chased you for how long?
He doesn't even fucking know what he did this morning. He got these handcuffs too tight, mate. Circulation off.
Run this tag. Boy John Tom 04 David.
Man, what the fuck you running the tag for?
04D.
Brand new fucking car. You know what you're out here doing.
Come back to this address?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what the
Run
fuck
the
you're out
tag,
here
that'll show
doing.
you.
Can you loosen the handcuffs?
Yeah, this one's rotated.
Cut my fucking hands off.
I know, I asked him.
So why'd you run?
Please, just calm down,
Because you're
baby.
fucking chasing me. You're fucking chasing me.
Calm down, just calm down. Okay. Listen to me, calm down, okay? It's alright.
I'm chasing you because you're running. You were doing 71 miles an hour and a 45. And that was before.
Everybody's doing 80 miles an hour and a 45. Everybody.
Listen.
This shit happens every fucking day. God damn you. You ain't doing shit besides fucking up this fucking thing for the city and the state. Talking about he helping people. I'm fucking destroying lives. Who the fuck are you anyway, you new little motherfucker?
Arkansas State Police.
Make sure I get you transferred.
You can try.
Give me a fucking lawyer for the unlawful ass stops.
Yeah, Tim. Any particular reason why he's running?
Please.
Please what?
Yeah, did you say you're going to tell me the reason why?
No, I'm asking why he was running.
Oh, I don't know, sir. I don't know. If I know, I would tell you.
Okay, has he got warrants or what?
Not that I'm aware of, no.
If he did, what would they be for?
Nothing. Calm down.
This is your vehicle?
Yeah, this is my vehicle.
Do you have your driver's license?
Yeah, hold on,
Go
please.
grab it. Can you start a 1016?
the last four on the VIN.
6258.
Last four on the VIN. Simple.
Please hang on one moment.
Just a second.
So what are you running for?
You faggot. I nobody liked you in high school, little punk bitch. Fucking gringos always got something against us Mexicans. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Kawasaki.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing? You got no clue what you're doing.
You gonna give me your name?
No?
Okay.
You already got me in handcuffs. You think I'm not going to jail?